Crunchy, healthy and delicious. Broccoli bites. Prepared in air fryer. Served with mayonnaise and Thai sweet chili sauce. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to subscribe my channel. 3/4 cup plain flour maida. 1/2 cup corn flour. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Salt to taste. 2 teaspoon hot sauce. Slowly add buttermilk to make lump-free slurry. Add medium-sized broccoli washed and cut into florets. Mix well to coat it properly. Take 2 cups panko or regular breadcrumbs. Take one at a time and coat well. Preheat air fryer. Grease with olive oil. Set for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Keep on flipping at every 5 minutes. This will be ready in 12 minutes. Crunchy, healthy and delicious. Please feel free to subscribe my channel for interesting recipe on regular basis. Serve with mayonnaise and Thai sweet chili sauce. Hope you would like it. Crunchy, healthy, delicious broccoli bites. Please try this once.